Let's walk through an example of solving the second layer. First, let's find an edge piece in the top layer without a yellow sticker. Here we have an orange-blue cubie. Rotate the top layer so the orange colors match up, and we will use the hand that corresponds with the top color. We will be moving to the left. U, R, U, R prime, U prime. Now we will solve our corner piece. And notice it will grab the correct edge piece along with it. Let's find another one. Here's the green-orange piece. Let's align this with its orange center. In this case, the top color is on our left side, so let's use our left hand for the move. U prime, L prime, U prime, L, U. Now, let's resolve our corner piece and notice it grabs the correct edge piece along with it. Here's one more. Red-blue. Let's align the blue centers. Red is on top, so we'll use our right hand. U, R prime, U prime. Resolve our corner piece. Very good. Finally, the red-green piece. Green is on top, so we'll use our right hand. U, R prime, U prime. Let's resolve our corner piece. And with that, our first two layers are solved.